Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, let's first take the device out of a case if you have one on. And the tray will be located on the top left side of the device, as you can see right here where the pin is holding. I'm going to push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out just enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray, you'll have space for either 2 SIM cards, which if I'm correct, you're going to place one right here. Nope, never mind, we only have one tray. So, card would go like this, and your SD card right next to that. Now make sure that the card is in place. It should not be protruding kind of like this one is right now. So this one is kind of popping out a little bit too much. So yeah, both of the cards should be holding in the tray on its own. So if I flip it over, you can see it's not falling out. But it is a little bit sketchy as it's not fully seated in there. The tray is just a bit crooked, I think. So SIM card should go in without a problem. SD card, we might need to just kind of push it down. There we go. Once you insert both of these cards into the device, they should start working right away. As you can see, it's telling me to confirm my SIM card pin. So SIM card is working and SD card should be working as well. Let's see if we have any kind of notification. And we do right over here, SD card, so it is detecting it as well. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.